welcome to the Dusty Side. Today we're at Fritz's restaurant in Kansas City. Let's go take a look inside. Families have been making memories at Fritz's restaurant for decades. Once you are seated at your table, choose your meal from their menu. Then pick up the telephone and order your food, right from your seat. Your delicious meal leaves the kitchen on the delivery train. From there, it makes its way around the restaurant, riding on a track suspended above all the tables. After a short trip, the train arrives at the appropriate table. Before the train left the kitchen, it knew where it was going. So when it arrives at your table, a metal arm swings out to unload the train's food tray onto the elevator. Then it simply lowers down your meal to the table. We ordered burgers, fries, and some awesome milkshakes. We hope you've enjoyed this trip to Fritz's restaurant. Be sure and visit us at dustysaddle.com. Until next time, from the Dusty Saddle, saddle up and ride.
Hot. Mighty hot. Yeah!